Restomods, or custom-built cars that blend modern performance with vintage charm, are nothing new in the automotive world. However, some Restomods manage to transcend the typical and leave enthusiasts rethinking what a vintage car can be. One such car is the Alfa Romeo GT Super, and the latest version, nicknamed Jarama, might just be one of the most beautiful and exclusive builds ever made. Let's dive into the jaw-dropping details of this Italian masterpiece. Totem Automobili, a small Italian company, has made a name for itself by creating some of the most stunning Restomods in the world, and the GT Super is at the heart of their craftsmanship. This latest creation, the GT Super Jarama, is a tribute to the historic 1972 victory of the Alfa Romeo GTA Junior 1300 at the Jarama circuit during the European Touring Car Championship. Only 40 units of the GT Super will be produced, making it an extremely rare and desirable car. The Jarama edition stands out not only because of its history but also because of the bespoke touches that make it even more special than the other 39 examples that will be built. The most striking feature of the car is its bodywork, crafted entirely from carbon fiber. This material choice not only reduces weight but also gives the car a sleek, modern look. Finished in blue Cervino, the color is timeless, leaning more classic than flashy, adding a sense of sophistication to the build. A major highlight of the exterior is the CNC machined side badges that combine Alfa Romeo's iconic cloverleaf emblem with the Jarama script. These small touches are a testament to the craftsmanship and attention to detail that Totem Automobili has invested into every aspect of the car. The aesthetic appeal is further enhanced by the car's overall design, blending retro charm with contemporary performance. This car doesn't just look good, it has the presence of a machine built for the ages. Inside, the GT Super is a sensory delight. The cabin is a luxurious blend of classic racing heritage and modern refinement. Connolly cognac leather is used throughout the interior, covering the seats, headliner, and side panels. This leather is known for its rich texture and quality, further elevating the sense of luxury within the car. Totem Automobili also pays homage to the golden era of racing by incorporating two vintage Tag Heuer chronographs on the passenger side. These analog timepieces are a nod to a time when even race car drivers had to rely on manual, analog timekeeping systems, adding a touch of nostalgia to the build. But it's not just about luxury, performance is at the heart of this build. The GT Super Jarama is powered by a 2.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine developed by Italtecnica. This engine is no slouch, producing 591 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, which allows the car to deliver exhilarating performance. For those who crave even more power, Totem Automobili offers a more powerful version of this engine that pushes the car to 739 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. In this specific build, the GT Super Jarama boasts an impressive 670 horsepower. All this power is sent to the rear wheels through a gated 6-speed manual transmission, ensuring a pure, engaging driving experience. Aesthetics and performance are perfectly balanced in the GT Super Jarama, but it doesn't stop there. The car also features a beautifully crafted gated shifter with an exposed linkage mechanism, a nod to classic sports cars and a testament to the car's driving-focused design. The use of aluminum and carbon fiber in the interior ensures that the cabin feels just as high performance as the car's exterior. As expected from a car of this caliber, the price tag is substantial. While Totem Automobili has not put a specific price on this particular build, the GT Super starts at around €539,000, about $584,000. With options and customizations, the price can easily soar beyond $700,000. At that point, this is not just a car, it's an investment in art, engineering, and exclusivity. If you're lucky enough to own one, you'll be the proud owner of one of the most stunning and exclusive Restomods ever made. For those who appreciate beauty, performance, and rarity, the Alfa Romeo GT Super Jarama is the epitome of automotive excellence.